Hello everyone, I got my Anet A6 printer here and I wanted to use it again. Comes to this printer, Anet gives you this thing for your filament holder with just a screw in the middle. So I went to Fusion, of course, and I designed my own. I need this thing. Very easy to put together. This will come in two pieces, and then you're gonna have the joints that you join together here. Then you're gonna have your legs here that you have to, there's a slot here you can see, so you can fit a bigger printer and a different printer, and you just glue the legs to the base. I wanted to do something else for the, where the filament sits, so I made some type of bearing, like a needle bearing, so you can see here. I don't know if this will gonna help it in any way. Easy to attach, you just drop it down here. I wanted it to have it here. Doesn't move just because it has the screen, so it will not move. And we're gonna have your rod where the filament spool goes, and I want to have light, so I have space here underneath in this area here, so we're gonna add a light to project onto my prints. So let's do that now. I'll be running a very easy light setup with a simple battery. I printed a box for my LED strip. You can use whatever LED you want. You just make holes and you drill holes, and you attach the LED. So let's do that. We're gonna use some small screws that I have. I finished my filament spool holder, aka a 2D printer light. I just use a cheap LED color changing light bulb with the remote. I gutted it out all. I took of course the LED, the cable and the remote. Made an easy box for my LED to screw it down so it holds. I didn't put anything to cover the LED, so I have the full light. On the back I just make a simple box again that screws in, that holds my battery. This is a 3.7 volt battery from an RC car. Very easy, you just remove any charge, wired it all up. There's no need for a switch since it has a remote. Simple but nice design. And you cannot see the battery, of course, when it goes on the back. Just slides in and that's it. This is printed with an HIPS filament. Not an easy filament to print. If you figure it out, it's okay, but this was my first trying that filament. So they come a little bit crooked, a little bit, like I said, split here, just because from what I know that filament needs air enclosure to keep the heat in. For me, probably somewhere it was introduced a little bit of cold air. Show you the lights. Bam, with the remote. Of course, this is the white one. You can dim it or make it brighter. More options here, like a flash. You can have a flash, you can have a strobe, fade, smooth. You can choose all different colors. This is the white one. It will be perfect for what I want. Let me tell you the little things about this spool holder. Like I said, it has bearings, but I don't want to put oil or anything to make it a little bit smoother. It still spins. It spins though when you have a little bit heavier weight. It spins much better than the other. Not always, but it spins. Okay, it ain't bearing, it's just 3D printed plastic, so don't expect much. But it's much better than the other one. It was an experiment. But even without without the bearing actually working, it still spins much more free than with the other that it had like a bolt. There's no need, if you want to print it, just print it without the bearings and just add the axle itself. So this will be available for free for everyone to download. All the links will be down in the description. You can do whatever you want. There's no need to put lights, there's no need to put batteries. You can just do it simple with a filament spool holder. Adjusted, like I said, the legs are adjustable, so you can get the thickness of whatever you want. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I hope I will see you in the next one.